This video shows how to make a large soft slab from a big ball of wedged clay. The first thing we do is push that clay evenly from the center outward with our body weight and pick it up and then throw it back down. Each time we pick the clay up and throw it back down, we are rotating it a quarter turn. The throwing of the slab there's a slight pull towards the body during the throwing of the slab. Once you get approaching the appropriate thickness, begin to rib the surface of the clay with your tool. That's compressing the surface of the clay, and you can also use a rolling pin. As you may see here, the rolling pin has a little bit of white clay in it. I'm not going to worry about that too much. I can scrape that off later. When you rib and roll, then you want to turn the clay over and rib and roll the other side until you have an evenly thick slab of clay. Ribbing the surface with your tool in multiple directions to compress that clay and make it nice and smooth. The clay at this point should be about 1/2 inch thick. So pretty thick. You actually want it a little thicker than you're ultimately going to need. Once you have done that, you want to measure the amount of clay you're going to need for the soft slab head. In this case, it's going to be 2 sheets of paper side by side. So it's going 2 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper will create 17 by 8 by 11 slab. So we want to place those pieces of paper right in the center of the slab, not at the raggedy edges, and then we're going to just cut away all of the exterior of the slab, leaving the interior really beautiful and even thickness. And we can reclaim those scraps. And then that 11 by 17 1/2 inch slab, nicely compressed, is what's going to be our soft slab head. So place it on a board, maybe compress it one last time.